Police across the United States are increasingly relying on emerging technologies to make their jobs more efficient and to increase public safety. Police are using drones, license plate readers, gunshot detection system, and even robots to reduce injury and harm. To no one's surprise, law in government agencies have struggled with retention and hiring during the last 2 years, and many police departments are now looking the new technologies to fill those gaps and keep their communities safe. However, with these new technologies comes concern for the loss of privacy. Technology can be a great law in government tool. However, a line should be drawn to protect our privacy, while also meeting the exception that the police will protect the public. Nevertheless, the new technologies continue to find their way into law in government. In Mountain View, California, the police used drones that have helped officers mitigate many dangerous situations, conduct search efforts, and locate weapons. As a result, the department is looking to expand the program to include more drones with improved features as a longer flight time, a higher quality video, and infrared capabilities, which help detect body heat. A drone can be a tool that not only helps accomplish current police goals, but also offers the potential to do the work better, more safely, and more efficiently. The key to accepting this technological advance is transparency with the public to let people know how and when the technology will and will not to be used. Beyond drones, police departments across the country have been using other kinds of technology to secure cities and towns. For example, ShotSpotter is a gunshot detection system that alerts police to gunfire within the device-specific coverage area by using sensors and algorithms to determine which loud bangs are likely gunshots. Within just 6 seconds, ShotSpotters can alert police to the precise location in which the gunshot were heard. By using the system, police can more efficiently deploy their recourse. This is a great benefit for cities that have had to cut back on neighborhood patrols due to officer shortages.